Good morning. Today I'll be talking about and summarizing the findings from the Framingham Heart Study dataset, which included over 4,400 participants. The average age of the study sample was about 50 years, with just under half being men. Hypertension was very common, affecting more than 70% of the population, while about a quarter had a cardiovascular disease and nearly 1 in 10 had a history of stroke. Cholesterol and glucose levels were moderate on average, and together these characteristics show that the sample represented a middle-aged group with a high burden of cardiovascular risk. When comparing men and women, there were some important differences. Men had much higher rates of smoking, with over 60% reporting they were current smokers compared to just 40% of women. Women, on the other hand, were more likely to be on blood pressure medication and had slightly higher systolic blood pressures. Cholesterol, glucose, and stroke prevalence were very similar between the sexes, but these differences suggest that men tend to carry more lifestyle risk while women showed higher rates of treatment. Looking at heart rate, regression analysis revealed that being male, smoking, and higher cholesterol, along with higher glucose, were all significantly associated with faster heart rates. Diabetes appeared important in the crude models, but once adjusted for other factors, it was no longer significant. This shows the value of multivariable analysis, since some associations weaken once overlapping risks are taken into account. Finally, I compared participants with and without coronary heart disease. Those with CHD were significantly older, had higher systolic and diastolic blood pressures, and also had slightly higher cholesterol and BMI. While the cholesterol differences was relatively small, it still reached statistical significance because of large sample size. These results confirm that traditional risk factors like age, hypertension, obesity, and smoking are strongly linked to coronary heart disease. Finally, the Framingham Heart Study data demonstrated how common cardiovascular risks cluster together and interact, highlighting the importance of prevention and long-term monitoring in your public health. Thank you.